today's video, we're talking about how to make money selling real estate using social media the smart way. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever looked at creators or agents building a following online, showcasing listings and closing deals from content, they're not just lucky, they're using a strategy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can do the same even if you're just getting started in real estate or working behind the scenes in a real estate adjacent niche. You don't need to be a broker, you don't need $1 million listing, just need to learn how to show up online in a way that builds trust, showcases value, and makes it easy for people to take the next step. Let's get into it. First off, why social media is a game changer for real estate. Social media has completely transformed the way real estate is marketed. It's no longer just about MLS listings or postcards in the mail. It's about meeting people where they already are, which is online. And the best part is you don't need expensive equipment to compete. You just need a phone, some basic tools, and the willingness to consistently show up and serve. Most effective real estate content isn't overproduced or salesy. It's helpful, honest, and educational. That's the type of content that builds trust, positions you or your brand as the go-to expert in your space. Step number 1, start with short form videos that builds trust. Short form content is the fastest way to get attention right now. Platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts are all favoring bite-sized content that teaches or showcases something valuable. This works especially well in real estate. If you've ever seen videos titled something like "What $500,000 Gets You in Austin, Texas," or 3 Things to Know Before Applying for a Mortgage, probably seen how effective this strategy can be. You don't need to create that content yourself. You could be the person behind the brand. You could be working with realtors, investors, or housing brands, helping them publish the content while you grow the business side. CapCut is a very simple editing tool that makes this super easy. You can record, trim, add text, including trending sounds, and publish all from your phone. Some video concepts you can start with include something like 3 common mistakes first-time buyers make. Here's how mortgage rates have shifted in the last 12 months. But this price point actually buys you in different zip codes. If you're working behind the scenes with an agent, this is content you can help them produce. If you're building a brand in the real estate niche, these are themes that really resonate. You don't need to overthink it. Just post consistently and batch your content so it's manageable. If you want to check out CapCut to edit everything cohesively, I've left that link down below for you. Step number 2 is to create a simple landing page people can actually use. Once someone finds your content and wants to learn more, you need a next step. That could be a lead magnet, a calendar link, or even just a clean contact form. Without it, you're relying on DMs and comments, and honestly, that doesn't scale. You can use a hosting platform and website builder like Bluehost to set up a simple one-page site with your contact info, brief intro, and maybe a free resource like a first-time homebuyer guide or 5-step home prep checklist. You don't need a full website to look professional. A single landing page is more than enough to convert interest into action. You can even embed a Calendly link or set up an email form to start collecting leads. This page becomes your central hub. Get to your social bios, in your YouTube descriptions, and even directly in your Reels or TikToks if you're using a tree or a custom domain. If you want to check out Bluehost, I've left that link down in the description below so you can build your one-pager. Step number 3 is to design a cohesive brand that people remember. Design builds trust. You don't need to be a graphic designer to create a brand that looks clean and consistent. Canva is something that I use every single day, and it makes this incredibly simple. You can create templates for Instagram quote graphics, market tip carousels, YouTube thumbnails, open house flyers, story highlight covers. If you're building a brand in the real estate niche or managing one, create 10 to 15 templates up front so everything stays on brand and recognizable. Pick 2 fonts, choose a color palette, and stick with them across everything. When someone sees you post, you want them to immediately recognize that it's you or your brand, even before reading a single word. One cool thing about Canva is they actually have brand templates, so everything can stay cohesive, and when you're editing one of your templates, you can easily have all of your brand fonts and colors right there with you. As a side note, you do have to upgrade to the Pro plan to be able to get access to the brand templates. Like I said, I used Canva every single day, so many different reasons, but I really like the brand template as one of them. In order to get access to the brand templates, brand controls, and brand kits, you do have to upgrade to the Pro plan. Again, it is so worth it. And there's a couple of other things too that the free version doesn't really offer. So for example, this is very niche and small, but background removal, I use that on every single one of my YouTube thumbnails. So you can remove backgrounds with one click, always using my brand colors to stay aligned. You can even add your logo right here and then see all of the fonts right here as well. So when you're going to edit something, you go to the design tab and you can go to styles, and then all of your brand fonts and color palette is right there. So it's just really, really handy. And yeah, like on this, I use the background remover. Again, you can get started with a free plan and always upgrade from there. If you want to check out Canva and get started with the free plan even, go I've left that link down below. Step number 4 is to follow up with interested leads through email. Someone downloads your resource or reaches out through your site, you need a follow-up system. And that's where email marketing comes in. ActiveCampaign is a great tool for this, but there's honestly so many on the market. So choose one that best fits your needs and the one that you wouldn't mind going in and actually using. You can set up a basic welcome sequence, share updates, market reports, or new listings all automatically. It doesn't have to be complex. Even a 3-part sequence that introduces who you are, how you help, and where they can see current listings is enough. If you're running this as a business, you can even segment your list into buyers, sellers, investors, or vendors. Customize your content accordingly. Set it up once and it runs in the background, making your brand feel polished even while you're off the clock. If you want to check out ActiveCampaign, you can get started with a free trial as well. Email marketing gives you that direct line of contact. Step number 5 is to use YouTube for long-term discoverability. Short form videos help you get discovered. YouTube helps you stay discovered. While TikToks and Reels are great for reach, YouTube videos have long-term SEO value. If you post a helpful 3 to 5 minute video answering a specific real estate question, it can bring in new leads or traffic for months to come. Think of topics like how to buy your first home in California, what you need to know before selling in 2025, how to get approved for a mortgage with student loans. There are limited amount of topics that you can discuss. Even for me, I've had videos. YouTube analytics is really, really helpful and in depth, and I'll see videos I posted a year ago that are still getting views. Another tool that can be helpful for keyword research and optimizing your titles and tags is TubeBuddy. So many people in the industry use it, and it's just a powerful tool that integrates directly with YouTube. And if you're just posting once or twice a month, YouTube videos compound over time. They're one of the best ways to build long-term authority in the real estate space. If you want to check out TubeBuddy, our exclusive link is down below. Okay, you guys, that wraps up this video. Just a few final thoughts for you. You don't have to be a real estate agent yourself to participate in the space. You can build a content brand. You can create helpful tools. You can work with agents or investors, or you can position yourself as the go-to media creator in your market. What matters is consistency, clarity, and making it easy for people to take action. Don't need to be pushy. Just be present, be clear, be consistent, and show up. Share value and build a system that allows people to find you and reach out. All of the tools I mentioned are linked below. A lot of them offer free trials or even get you some discounted rates. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping you build smart, scalable side hustles using content, systems, and digital tools. If you loved this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.